Andromeda Galaxy collision, should we be worried? The Andromeda Galaxy is the closest major galaxy to our Milky Way, sitting about 2.5 million light-years away. It's a sight to behold, even with the naked eye. But here's the kicker. Scientists have discovered that Andromeda is on a direct collision course with our Milky Way. Yes, you heard that right. Two massive galaxies on a cosmic path to meet head-on. But how worried should we be? Let's explore this cosmic journey. Welcome to Space Theory, where we unravel the mysteries of the universe. In 2012, astronomers confirmed the collision course using data from the Hubble Space Telescope. The Andromeda Galaxy is speeding toward us at a whopping 110 kilometers per second. That's nearly 4 million miles per hour. But before you start panicking, let's put things into perspective. Even at this incredible speed, it will still take around 4 billion years for the two galaxies to collide. Yes, it's that far away. How did scientists make this discovery? You might wonder how scientists can predict an event so far in the future. Using the Hubble Space Telescope, they tracked the movement of stars within Andromeda to map its trajectory. By creating computer models and simulations based on this data, they could play out the cosmic drama billions of years into the future, much like watching a movie. Galactic collisions aren't that uncommon. Believe it or not, collisions between galaxies are relatively common in the universe, happening over billions of years. When Andromeda and the Milky Way finally meet, their spiraling dance will result in a new galaxy, likely forming an elliptical shape. The stunning spiral arms that both galaxies currently have will disappear, merging into a more rounded structure. What about the stars and black holes? Contrary to what you might think, the vast distances between stars mean that direct star-to-star collisions are incredibly unlikely. They are spaced out so far that they'll probably just pass each other by. However, the two supermassive black holes at the centers of Andromeda and the Milky Way are predicted to spiral inwards toward each other, eventually merging over millions of years to form an even more massive black hole. What will happen to our solar system? This part gets really interesting. Scientists estimate there's about a 50% chance that our solar system will be pushed out to 3 times its current distance from the galactic center. And, get this, there's a 12% chance we could be flung out of the new galaxy entirely. Imagine our solar system drifting alone in the vast cosmic void. But what about humans? Humans, unfortunately, won't be around to witness this colossal cosmic event. Let's take a look at why. In approximately 1.5 billion years, our sun will enter a phase of its life cycle where it becomes significantly hotter and more luminous. As it ages, it will emit more energy, causing Earth's temperatures to soar. Eventually, this will trigger a runaway greenhouse effect, much like what we see on Venus today. Oceans will evaporate, the atmosphere will become unbearably thick, and any trace of life as we know it will be wiped out. In this sweltering, inhospitable environment, Earth will transform from a vibrant, blue-green world into a barren, scorched wasteland. So, humanity would have long vanished, leaving no one behind to witness the grand collision between Andromeda and the Milky Way. But let's imagine for a moment that some form of life does survive, or that future humans manage to escape the fate of Earth. Perhaps by then, we have evolved into an advanced spacefaring civilization, capable of harnessing the energy of entire stars or inhabiting planets orbiting distant, cooler stars. If so, what a view they would have. As millions of years pass, Andromeda would slowly grow larger in the sky, first appearing as a faint, wispy cloud of stars. Over time, it would become brighter and more distinct, a glowing swirl of light stretching from horizon to horizon. Picture the night sky. What was once a familiar blanket of stars would now be dominated by this cosmic giant, an awe-inspiring galaxy spilling across the heavens. The stars of Andromeda would shine alongside the stars of the Milky Way, creating a mesmerizing celestial tapestry. From the surface of whatever world these future beings might call home, they would watch in fascination as Andromeda's spiral arms slowly intertwine with our own galaxies. As the two galaxies merge, new stars would be born from the immense gravitational forces at play, lighting up the night sky with dazzling colors and patterns. Nebulas would swirl, and cosmic fireworks would ensue, as dust and gas collide to forge new stellar nurseries. The sky would no longer look like anything we recognize today. It would be a kaleidoscope of light and color, a celestial dance unfolding over millions of years. Now, imagine the technological capabilities these future life forms might possess. They could have telescopes far more powerful than anything we can build today, allowing them to observe every detail of the merger in real time. They might create virtual simulations to experience the collision from different vantage points. What would it be like to float among the stars as they swirl around in the cosmic ballet? Or perhaps, by then, humanity or other intelligent species would have spread to distant stars, ensuring their survival no matter what fate befalls our solar system. In this far-off future, witnessing the Andromeda Milky Way collision would not just be a scientific curiosity. It could become a cultural phenomenon, an event of cosmic importance for any advanced civilizations watching it unfold. It might even inspire new myths, art, and philosophies as they contemplate their place in the ever-evolving universe. And yet, with all this grand spectacle and the cosmic beauty of galaxies merging, there would be a sense of melancholy too. For our Milky Way, the place where humanity was born, would be fundamentally transformed. The familiar spiral structure, the home of so many stars and stories, would be reshaped into a new, more massive elliptical galaxy. Our solar system, if still intact, would likely be flung into a more distant orbit, or, in a wild twist of fate, could be cast out of the galaxy altogether, drifting into the vast emptiness of intergalactic space. So, while humans may not be around to see this extraordinary event in person, the legacy of our fascination with the cosmos will endure. Those future beings, whether human descendants or entirely new life forms, would stand on some distant world, looking up at the sky with the same wonder we feel today, witnessing one of the most magnificent acts of cosmic theater our universe has to offer. So, what do you think about this cosmic rendezvous? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Space Theory for more exciting revelations about our universe. Hit that bell icon to stay updated, and let's keep exploring the cosmos together.